Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to crochet a tiny Sagittarius bow. First, create a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochets. Finish the round at the first stitch, chain 1, round 2, crochet 2 single crochets in each stitch around, repeat 6 times. Finish the round, chain 1, round 3, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, repeat 6 times. Round 4, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, repeat 6 times. Round 5, 3 single crochets, 1 double crochet, repeat 6 times. Round 6, 2 single crochets, 1 double crochet, 2 single crochets, repeat 6 times. Round 7, 5 single crochets, 1 double crochet, repeat 6 times. Rounds 8 to 14, crochet 42 single crochets in each round without increasing or decreasing. Round 15, 5 single crochets, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times. Round 16, 4 single crochets, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times. Round 17, 3 single crochets, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times. Round 18, 2 single crochets, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times. Stuff with fiber fill and shape it into a round form. Round 19, 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times. Round 20, 6 decreases, then fasten off and cut the yarn. Use a yarn needle to sew the outer edges together and pull tight. Then, weave in the remaining yarn to secure it. Use blue yarn to crochet the hat. Use the same pattern as the face to crochet the hat as follows. Finish the round and chain 1. Insert the face into the hat and adjust it to ensure it is symmetrical. Round 16, 5 single crochets, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times. Round 17, 2 single crochets, 1 decrease, 2 single crochets, repeat 6 times. Slip stitch to close the round, cut the yarn, and weave in the remaining ends. Great, you finished the face and the hat. Using yellow yarn, create a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochets for round 1. Crochet in a spiral without closing the rounds and mark the first stitch of each round. From round 2 to round 10, crochet 6 single crochets in each round. Round 11. 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, repeat 3 times. From round 12 to round 27, crochet 9 single crochets in each round without increasing or decreasing. Finish round 27 and stuff fiber fill into the section between round 11 and round 27. Round 28, 1 single crochet, 1 decrease. Repeat 3 times. From round 29 to round 37, crochet 6 single crochets in each round without increasing or decreasing. Finish round 37, cut the yarn leaving a tail for sewing, then weave in the remaining ends. Fold the 2 ends of the horn and use glue to secure them in place. Using dark green yarn, start the arrow's tail by creating a magic ring and crocheting 4 single crochets into it. Round 2. Crochet 4 double crochets in a spiral without closing the round. Round 3. 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, repeat 4 times. Round 4. Crochet 12 single crochets without increasing or decreasing. Round 5. 1 single crochet, 1 decrease. Repeat 4 times. Slip stitch into the first stitch, then cut the yarn, leaving a tail for sewing. Stuff with fiber fill and sew the outer edges together. Using the same color yarn, create a larger magic ring and crochet 3 chain stitches, then follow the pattern. Slip stitch into the magic ring, then cut the yarn and weave in the remaining ends. For the body of the arrow, use yellow thread to crochet 8 chain stitches, leaving extra yarn at both ends for sewing. Secure the parts with pins, then use glue to attach them in place. For the arrow's body, use a needle to sew the tail and the heart shape together, then weave in the remaining yarn. After gluing the parts, use black thread to stitch the eyes and mouth according to your preference. And that's how we finish the Sagittarius bow. Thank you all for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.